So viewers, we are just 2 weeks away from the Bihar Assembly elections and the heat is on. While the NDA projects a very united front with smooth seat sharing, the Mahagathbandhan appears far from united. Hemant Soren's Jharkhand Mukti Morcha has announced yesterday that it will contest the Bihar elections independently, fielding candidates in 6 seats. Now, in 6 of these seats, the JMM is going solo, which means that it's going to be a fight within the India bloc. The JMM General Secretary Supriyo Bhattacharya has said that this is part of the party's election strategy, noting that Congress is contesting against the RJD, while the CPI is also going up against VIP, adding that the election strategies keep evolving.
धमदारा है हमारा चकाई है, हमारा कटोरिया है, मनिहारी है, जमुई है और पीरपैती है। हर जगह की परिस्थिति है। तब राजद के खिलाफ कांग्रेस क्यों है? वीआईपी के खिलाफ सीपीआई क्यों है? ये बहुत तरह की चुनाव की रणनीति अलग होती है, तो वो रणनीति के तहत ही होता है।
So this was a reaction of the JMM. The BJP's Shehzad Poonawalla and Pratul Sahdev have mocked the infighting within the alliance, calling it the Mahagathbandhan, and pointed out that many members are now contesting against each other, with the JMM having to beg for seats in Bihar. Manoj Pandey of the JMM said the party feels betrayed by the alliance, admitting that they have been waiting for seats for a long time and acknowledging a rift within the coalition.
इंतजार की भी इंतहा हो गई। हम लोगों ने पूरे सब्र का परिचय दिया। हमारे लोग बात करने के लिए भी पटना गए, वार्ता भी हुई। हमें दिलासा भरोसा दिलाया गया कि हम आपको सीट देंगे आपके जनाधार के मुताबिक, परंतु अंततः धोखा मिला। बहुत विलंब हो चुका है और हम अपने आत्मसम्मान से कोई समझौता नहीं कर सकते। जो गठबंधन है उसमें गांठ पड़ने की शुरुआत हो गई। बहुत दुख की बात है।
भाई, हेमंत सोरेन तो कहते थे कि महागठबंधन की रीढ़ है, उसके एक इंटीग्रल पार्ट है, लेकिन जो महागठबंधन के दलों ने बिहार में इनके साथ सुलूक किया, बस सिर्फ एक ही पंक्ति याद आती है मिर्जा गालिब की, बड़े बेआबरू होके तेरे कुचे से निकले हम। भाई, झारखंड मुक्ति मोर्चा की तो ये बेशर्मी की हाइट हो गई जो इनके साथ बिहार में हुआ। बिहार के चौराहे पे एक कटोरा लेकर खड़े थे, भिक्षाम देही सीटों की भिक्षा मांग रहे थे। जो इनको बेइज्जती बिहार में झेलनी पड़ी, क्या उसका ये झारखंड में बदला लेंगे राजनीतिक रूप से?
कांग्रेस की असहिष्णुता का एक और प्रमाण आज सामने निकल कर आया है। वैसे तो ये एसडीपीआई, पीएफआई जैसे अलगाववादी, आतंकवादी मानसिकता और प्रवृत्ति वाले संगठनों की पैरवी करते हैं, उनके साथ गठबंधन करते हैं। किस प्रकार से 175 केसेस एसडीपीआई के वापस लिए गए, किस प्रकार से एमआईएम के दंगाइयों के केसेस वापस लिए गए। हमने देखा है कि किस प्रकार से आतंकियों की भी पैरवी कांग्रेस की सरकार ने की जब एनआईए ने आतंकवादियों के खिलाफ चार्जशीट फाइल की, और दूसरी तरफ राष्ट्रवादी संगठन जो है उसके खिलाफ लगातार कांग्रेस पार्टी असहिष्णुता दिखाते हुए कभी प्रतिबंध लगाती है, कभी उनको सरकारी जमीन पर कार्यक्रम करने से रोकती है, और अब उन्होंने एक कर्मचारी को आरएसएस के एक्टिविटी।
Now, the Congress party has pointed out that there may be a communication gap within the alliance, saying the situation needs a closer look, and added that the JMM must talk with Tejasvi Yadav if they plan to contest Bihar separately.
इस मामले को गंभीरता से देखना पड़ेगा और इसमें जो इंडिया गठबंधन है उसका जो कोऑर्डिनेशन कमेटी है जिसके चेयरमैन तेजस्वी यादव जी है, ये मैं समझता हूं कि उनकी सबसे बड़ी जिम्मेदारी है। और कहां कम्युनिकेशन गैप हो रहा है उसको देखने की आवश्यकता है। बात करनी चाहिए। अगर जेएमएम को बिहार में चुनाव लड़ना आवश्यक है अगर उनको, तो उनको तेजस्वी यादव जी से बात करनी चाहिए और तेजस्वी जी को भी उनसे बात करनी चाहिए।
My colleague Niyamika is on the broadcast with us with the details of how this could play out in the Bihar Assembly elections, because Niyamika, on one hand you have the NDA that has ironed out all the differences and is ready to fight on a united front, but on the other hand you have the Mahagathbandhan where differences continue, and now in the latest is the JMM, another India bloc alliance that has decided to go it alone in 6 seats.
The trouble is mounting for the entire Mahagathbandhan in Bihar assembly elections, and that is the only reason why repeatedly we have seen that these parties are announcing that they are not satisfied with the manner in which seat sharing has been done. Earlier it was VIP which was being stopped to leave the Mahagathbandhan at the very last moment, but now it is JMM which has made this announcement that they are going to contest the Bihar assembly elections independently on 6 seats. Not just that, but there was a stern warning which was also being given on the part of JMM to the RJD that they are also going to rethink about their alliance.
Okay, all right. Niyamika, I'll just come back to you. We're facing some audio difficulties. I'll come back to you in just a moment. I just want to play out what the BJP has been saying, because now, because of the differences within the Mahagathbandhan, this has clearly armed the BJP.
एनडीए का मिशन विशन एकजुट होकर लड़ रहा है। एनडीए पांचों पार्टी ने बड़े सरलता से सीट शेयरिंग और अपने प्रत्याशियों की सूची फर्स्ट फेज ऑफ नॉमिनेशन से पहले दिखा दी। दूसरी तरफ सो कॉल्ड महागठबंधन, जिसे कह सकते हैं महागाठबंधन, क्योंकि अब जेएमएम ने ऐलान किया है कि वो अलग से चुनाव लड़ेगी, मतलब एमजीबी के साथ नहीं लड़ेगी। और ये कोई इकलौता झटका नहीं है। कांग्रेस बनाम आरजेडी बनाम लेफ्ट तो चल ही रहा है। वहां पर ज्यादा प्रत्याशी उतारे गए हैं, मतलब कि कई ऐसे सीट है जहां पर ऑफिशियल प्रत्याशी के खिलाफ ही गठबंधन का एक और प्रत्याशी होगा। इन फाइटिंग इतनी जबरदस्त कांग्रेस में हो रही कि तारिक अनवर ही ट्वीट करे दे रहे हैं कि टिकट बंटवारा ठीक से नहीं हुआ।
So, Niyamika, this has clearly armed the BJP, and the BJP has said, is this how the alliance is going to work if they plan to come to power? And that's the pitch that they've been making, that we are going to be working together. Clearly, even before the assembly elections as well, there are very clear differences that are out in the open.
Well, indeed, the rift is openly they are, making these statements, as this is the latest which is coming in on the part of JMM, as they have not just stated that they want to contest this assembly elections in the state of Bihar independently on 6 seats, but they have also given a stern warning to RJD that they will rethink about the alliance which is there in the state of Jharkhand as well, because they have given an example that during the time of the assembly elections in the state of Jharkhand, RJD had sought some seats from the JMM and they had given it to them. But when it comes to Bihar, they are very much adamant and they are not ready to give the respectable number of seats to the JMM, which is unacceptable on their part. We should also remember that how VIP was also very much unsatisfied with the manner in which seat sharing formula was being prepared by the RJD and the Congress party. They had sought at least 40 seats to contest, but the RJD was not ready to give more than 16 to 18 seats to them, and that is the only reason why it was Mukesh Sahni who was also was scheduled to hold a press conference to make this announcement that he is not satisfied with the seat sharing formula, but at the very last moment it was Rahul Gandhi who had spoken to him. But this shows that a very negative narrative has also been created by the opposition, by the BJP in the state of Bihar just ahead of the assembly elections, because now the BJP has given an opportunity by the Mahagathbandhan parties only.
Yes.
That this shows that how much rift is there within the Mahagathbandhan.
Yes.
That is the only reason why there is no official announcement of seat sharing formula has been done. Not just that, but it also shows that how much adamant is the RJD and the Congress party that they are not ready to give the respectable number of seats to the regional parties, and that is the only reason why
Yes.
there is a kind of dissent which is continuously coming in open, because on many
Yes.
of the seats where the Congress party has fielded its candidate, RJD is also fielding
and
its
Niyamika,
own
it's
candidate.
not just about these seats, isn't it? Because if they're fighting against each other in a few seats, then the narrative that will go out is that they are not united and it's going to affect every seat, and that is something that the Mahagathbandhan should be worried about. Niyamika, do stay with us as we shift our attention now to another